So I've been setting up this studio, trying to get it kind of where I want it to be. It's almost there. And then of course I go and I start the computer, I get my audio going, and boom, the video is now really condensed and it's serving at a much smaller resolution than you want. So then I go to record and I come back and I try to save it. I can't find the save button because this thing is just way too big. Anyway, I digress. How you guys all doing? It's been a long time. Just want to say, hey, what's up? I wanted to say I'm going to try to make some more videos for you guys. I'm trying to lock down exactly where I want to be with video. I think one of the challenges that I'm having with video right now is that it just takes forever to make it, to do it, to set up the environment, to get in front of the computer and do some editing. I don't know about you guys, but when I go into Adobe Premiere and I start editing, I could spend 3 hours editing a video. And by the time I get it onto YouTube, I'm like, was it 3 hours of my life? I'm really good at editing photos and getting those delivered quickly because I have a really good workflow. I need a better workflow for my video. So I'm kind of working on that. And I'm going to kind of walk through that with you guys as well, every step of the way, because I believe in a solid workflow so we can deliver quality videos, but not spend hours and hours doing them. Now, there is a place for creating high quality video content. I do enjoy that. But right now I'm just trying to figure out how can I make videos and get them online quickly. I'm going to talk about all the mistakes I make setting up the studio. As you can see, this is an empty shell. I'm working on the studio a little bit to try to get the colors where I want them to be and to just create an environment that kind of is about me. So you guys know that I'm all into photography, but I'm not just into photography, obviously. I have other hobbies like most of us do. Some of the other hobbies that I have include investing. And actually, I'm going to start bringing some investing type of videos onto the page because I think I can add some value when it comes to investing. I figured out some things that kind of work for me. When I started investing, we find our favorite stocks and we start throwing darts at a board and we lock them in and we get lucky on some of them and some we don't, right? So I've gotten better with regards to investing. And let me talk about investing a little bit because I think it is important. As you guys know, I'm a photographer. Photography can be expensive. So you try to figure out how can I supplement some of the photography gear? How can I contribute to the photography gear and bring new things into the studio? One of the ways that I've been doing it recently, and it's actually been working pretty well, is that I've been investing wisely, taking some of those profits. You could take some of those profits and you can put those profits into new gear, or you could put those profits into fine-tuning your strategy for investing. I think I'm going to start working on some of the strategies that I'm using because I'm getting pretty good. So just to let you know really quickly, I'm not really going to go into detail about the solutions that I use today. There are a couple applications that I've been using to help me fine-tune my investing strategy, which includes finding quality stocks to invest in and also looking at trend lines, following trends, looking at charts, a little bit of that as well. And then on top of that, I've been leveraging AI a little bit to have AI help me even further. So I'm back. I'm ready to have fun. I'm ready to set the studio up and let's get rolling. So stay tuned. Investing stuff's coming. We're going to get back to photography though. Photography is my ultimate passion and I love it dearly. You guys have a nice night. Talk to you later.